Title 12, Crimes Against the Civil Status of Persons. Article 347, Simulation of birth, substitution of one child for another, and concealment or abandonment of legitimate child. Article 348, Usurpation of Civil Status. Article 349, Bigamy. Article 350, Marriage contracted against provisions of laws. 351, Premature marriage. Article 352, Performance of illegal marriage or ceremony. Article 13, Crimes Against Honor. Article 353, Definitions of libel. Article 354, Requirement for publicity. Article 355, libel means by writings or similar means. Article 356, threatening to publish and offer to present such publication for a compensation. 357, prohibited publication of acts referred in the course of official proceedings. Article 358, slander. Article 359, slander by deed. Article 360, persons responsible. Article 361, proof of the truth. Article 362, libelous remarks. Article 363, incriminating innocent person. 364, intriguing against honor.